I'm Jarod Maier. I am a automotive student and a welding student. Like, my ultimate goal is to build stuff like that, like fabricating hot rods or doing custom everything. That would be my absolute goal. I went to Bishop Meadows. I got into UNR, and then I became an addict, and I threw away a good 6 years of my life. And I feel like that is a lot of motivation for right now. I have to do everything 100% now, period. Otherwise, it's not worth doing it. I was actually in social work. I was working with children that had disabilities, and I decided, hey, this isn't giving me a sense of self-confidence. It's not what I want anymore. And I worked on a car with a buddy. We spent 45 hours that week, and I did not stop smiling the entire time. I was like, I've never felt this motivated towards something and this gratified by fixing something, knowing that it works, knowing that I did it. It gives me a lot of self-confidence, and it's gratifying. The best part about being here is the instructors. I have never met any instructor who goes as far as all of these instructors do. It feels like a family, and it feels like home, and I've never felt that way about anything else but home, and it's just special.